Are you coloring the monkey?
The mommy's face.
The monkey's face? Color are you coloring the monkey's face?
Orange. Orange.
What color is that?
Orange.
Orange?
Face orange.
What other color? Maybe you should color his belly with this color. What color is that?
Orange.
What color is that?
Nice.
Hmm?
Yes, like this.
What are you coloring?
This.
What color is it?
So I'll do this. I'll do this.
You don't want to color the monkey anymore?
No.
What color is that? You're gonna wad up the monkey?
What's his head? Away.
Huh?
What's his face?
You're gonna throw it away?
Uh-huh.
Why?
I said, what's that mean?
Oh, should we color some more? What should we color?
I'll color two. I'll color two. I'll color two. I'm in my house.
You can color the boat?
Couple.
What color are you going to color the boat?
What
What color is that? Huh?
that?
Let's not waste the paper.
I got this. I got this. I got this.